Here's a rectangle with a width of 4 and a length of 8, and attached to it is a semicircle. We are being tasked to find the area of this composite shape, so both the rectangle and semicircle combined. Let's start by finding the area of the rectangle. Well, that's nice and easy because the area of a rectangle is just length times width. And my length and width are both given, so that's going to be 8 times 4, which of course is an area of 32 squared units. So I'm going to put this right here in the middle of my rectangle, and now I want to focus on the semicircle. Well, the formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. Well, I don't have the radius, but I do have the diameter because it's attached to this rectangle, which has a width of 4. Now, if the diameter is 4, then the radius is half of that, which is 2. So I can plug that in for r, giving me pi 2 squared. Well, 2 squared is just 4, which means the area of the circle would be 4 pi units squared. However, this is only a semicircle, so it's half the circle, which means it's going to have half the area. So I have to divide this by 2, and that's going to give me the area of the semicircle is 2 pi units squared. Well, now to find the area of the composite shape is nice and easy. I just take the total area is equal to the area of the rectangle plus the area of the semicircle. If I want this in exact units, I need to leave the pi in it, so that's going to be area is equal to 32 plus 2 pi square units. However, if I don't mind rounding, then area is approximately 38.283 units squared.